I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You have the essentials: tablet, canvas, reference. Now begin. Create a separate hotspot layer above your shading. Set it to overlay or screen so highlights interact naturally. Use a soft round brush at 10–30% opacity. Paint single bright spots where light hits directly. Once done, vary brush size for edges versus center. Make sure to follow your reference for placement. This first pass establishes light anchors that guide all subsequent shading and color work, so be decisive, but keep strokes buildable. Now refine. Define hotspot shapes with harder edges where light is focused and softer edges for spill. This controls perceived material. Use a second hotspot layer set to color dodge for intense speculars. Lower opacity to avoid clipping. Apply small Gaussian blur to simulate bloom and refine edges with a layer mask. Paint black to trim. Once done, toggle visibility to compare. Make sure hotspots read at thumbnail size so they communicate from a distance. Then fine-tune intensity per material. Finish by flattening a copy for export while preserving a layered master for edits. Do final checks at full resolution and as a small thumbnail to ensure hotspots read correctly. Use levels or curves to nudge contrast. Once done, sharpen subtly if needed, then export PNG or TIFF. If hotspots look blown out, reduce the hotspot layer opacity, switch from color dodge to overlay, or lower brush intensity. This single tweak often restores detail without reworking the whole.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.